Life is Fun program is a non-formal approach and hands-on interactive science program designed for the rural students in elementary level in Agami participating schools. A few goals of the Life is Fun program are preparing for the future by committing to a long-lasting impact, developing communication and collaborative skills, growing problem-solving abilities, generating awareness for an outcome-based approach to learning, removing the fear of studying science. Agami deployed the Life is Fun program in 2015, and so far, 8 Agami-supported schools have been impacted and more than 1,200 students have benefited. Through regular feedback and test results from participating schools, the program has been improved, expanded, and will be broadly deployed to other rural schools in the near future. Your generous donations and external grants have helped Agami in setting up the logistics and organizing a Life is Fun team in Agami Education Foundation. With your support, the program aims to continue and leverage employment and training opportunities for science teachers, have paid internships, work on content improvement and project monitoring, provide lab and equipment set up to schools, and host annual science fairs. With the COVID pandemic, Agami is remotely training teachers and creating digital video lessons for schools. This video is the second annual science fair organized for Agami schools in Dhaka. The purpose of these science fairs are to celebrate, encourage, and build awareness and measure the impact of the program on participating schools. Thank you for helping and generously donating to help Agami pursue this journey with the Life is Fun program. We hope our work in the schools may inspire and create little scientists for the future.